Hey guys, it's Cody with Huffman Honda of Frankfort. Today I just wanted to show you how to reset your TPMS light for your light on your tires and also your oil change light, just in case the dealership ever forgets or anything like that, or when it's cold outside and you lose a little bit of air and that light comes on, you can't get it to go off. I'm about to show you how to do that. Follow me. Especially during winter time, your tires will expand, contract, you lose a little bit of air. Go over here to the right, go to vehicle settings. This is in usually all of your Hondas are just the same way. You go into your TPMS calibration, and you're gonna be right here. You're gonna calibrate. That is gonna turn the light off on the TPMS for your tire. It'll calibrate, it'll turn itself off. Now, if you get to driving later on, it comes back on, try it again. If it doesn't work after that, bring it to a dealership because there might be something in the tire that's causing that pressure to lose. Now, for your oil life, you're gonna go to the same settings. I'll restart, show you again. You're going to your vehicle settings. You'll go over to the right. You'll go to maintenance info. Now you'll see where it says oil life 100%. Let's say it's at 10% and they forgot. You'll select reset items. You can do the oil, hit reset. Now that should turn off the oil light on your thing and reset it, bring it back to 100% for you. So now as you can see, which if it was at 10%, it would say there the oil and your filter. But thank you so much guys. That's how you simply turn off your TPMS and your oil light if it's on itself. Thank you guys.